What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Gabe Media back with a new video. Look, I know it's been a long time, but look, trust me, I'm gonna get back on it, and I'm gonna start right now with this video. I got a little project that I'm about to start working on my dad's truck, start restoring some of the plastics, but I'm gonna get into that in a minute. I just want to let y'all know a quick reason of, where I've been at and what's been going on. I already told y'all about, the accident and what happened with that. Still looking for another car, but I took a hit on my credit and all that, because the insurance didn't pay for the car. But I also been going to school. I had classes, with my job. My job been paying for me to go to classes. I've been flying all over the U.S., freaking Florida, New Orleans, back to Texas, everywhere. Man, I just been back and forth, and I ain't had no time to even try to pick up the camera and do anything. I had a class, as soon as I left the rig, I had class in New Orleans. No, not New Orleans. In Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I had a 2-week class down there, and I got down there and I had to be focused, like dead focused on them classes. And I've been having classes since the beginning of, no, actually, I started my classes November, going back and forth, doing little 2-day classes here and there. I don't know if y'all know about the oil field, but the way they do their classes, they just send you to a class, and it might be 2-day class, 3-day class, or a 2-week class, or a week class, something like that. But yeah, I just want to touch back bases with you guys and, tell y'all that I'm about to start back making these videos for y'all. YouTube still been doing good, nothing slacked off but my videos. But I mean, I still got views are still coming, everything like that. People still ask me questions about the car and whatnot. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the project or what I'm working on. But here it is right here. I kind of already started on this. You see, it's starting to peel because I just did a quick job. I ain't cleaned it up or nothing like that. But I'm gonna start with, this is what it looked like before. Like this, that's supposed to be black. I'm gonna go ahead and restore it. Yeah, it's bird poop right there. Don't mind that. Go to the other side. But all the plastic pieces, restore them, make them look good again. See, like here, this mirror I took my time on, and it looks good still. But like the door handles, the running boards, and back here you can see I started already trying to, clean up and get everything prepped. I redid the bow tie, and this on the back. Sorry, the truck is dirty. I'm just now getting back home. I've been home for like a few days now. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything nice and cleaned up for y'all, and we're gonna start. I think I'm gonna use some satin black. That's like the closest to putting this back to like how it was, instead of using like a gloss or anything like that. I don't want to use a gloss because this truck is gonna be wrapped. It's gonna be wrapped a different color, and the wheels are too. So y'all just stay with me on this journey with this. It's a 2008 Tahoe. It still run good. Everything. He got a whole surround sound system in it. Excuse me, and everything. But I'm gonna get new headlights for it, stuff like that. It's gonna be a slow process, slow build. But these rims, the rims are new on it. The only thing that's new on it, and you can already see whoever drove the truck took a nice chunk out of them. It's all right though. We're gonna get all that repaired and everything. But yeah, let me get to this cleaning. Another thing too, y'all, here go the overspray from when I did it first time. We're gonna try to get that off, because that looks, when the truck does get washed, you can still kind of see that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get that off too. I gotta find special chemicals to do that. But
made it big, Thailand made it big, Thailand made it big.
Guys, this is the first coat right here. It looks gloss, but it's not. It's satin. It's just gotta dry. Calm down. So I gotta hit it right there a little more. Hard to angle it right here when you have big hands. And while that's sitting right here drying, that first coat drying, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this prep so it can be painted also. So back to time lapse. All right, guys, I forgot to hit record, but that's my masking off right there to be able to do this little piece of trash. So let me go ahead and cut this off so I don't get copyrighted. All right, y'all, I'm moving to the handles. This handle right here. While this is back here drying, that looks good. It's not glossy. Like I said from the beginning, it's not gloss. But yeah, I messed up right here. I tried to make a little cutout. Oh shoot, I'm not even on it. I tried to make a little cutout of the handle, but that'll do. It'll be good. I'll just fold this back so they don't interfere with what I'm trying to paint. But yeah, that should keep the overspray from going everywhere. I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. But on the mask off the whole front of the by the windshield, and hit this again with one more coat and we'll be good. So I'm gonna put it back in time lapse again, make sure it's recording. It's a little improvising, so yeah. right, y'all. About finished up right now. We'll go ahead and end this video. It's probably the longest crap. But I'm gonna give you another another shot once all that's off of it. But I go to the door handles. It's a little mollied up right now, little fingerprints and everything around it, but it'd be all right. Truck was dirty when I brought it in, so let's take a look at the back. That looks better. It's not all ashy looking from when you've seen it before. Now I'm on this side. I'm not gonna do this whole side on a camera or whatnot. I'm gonna do it off the camera because the video is already long, but you get the gist of it. It's just a little quick video back. No, it's been a while since I've posted, but yeah, I need to hit this again. That's from a little circle spots you see is from when they used to put like what's it called, tire shine, try to make it shine. That's what them little circles are right there. So I gotta keep getting a rag and hitting right there and then going back over with paint so it'll do like I want it to. But let me get all this stuff off and I'll show y'all what it'll look like after. All right, everyone. Everything should be nice and dry now. All the handles nice and dry. This is just part one of restoring these plastic pieces on this 2008 Tahoe. So I'll probably be back tomorrow to do the running boards and all up in here. I gotta clean all this, scrub all this, and prep it so it'll be painted. So y'all see that ashy look. And then after that, we'll probably do I'll probably not restore, but paint the calipers like a gloss black or something like that. I don't know yet. We'll get there when we get there. See, I gotta go over this again. But yeah, man, don't mind the truck. It's a little dirty, like I said before, but it came out good. I like the way they look. They look 10 times, 20 times, 30 times better than what it did. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Y'all stay tuned for part 2. Gay Media out. Peace.